The year is 2077. Humanity has reached new heights of technological advancement. Our food system is a marvel of efficiency and innovation, with vertical farms and automated robots revolutionizing agriculture. Central to this transformation is a humble vegetable, the Cabbage of God, a plant that has become legendary. Shrouded in mystery, its origins are a blend of scientific marvel and ancient legend, captivating the imagination of many. Whispers tell of a time before our time, a time of great famine. The people cried out for salvation. From the heavens came a gift, a seed that sprouted into a cabbage unlike any other, glowing with a divine light. This Cabbage of God, as it came to be known, grew with incredible speed, astonishing everyone. It yielded an abundance of nutritious leaves. The famine ended, life flourished, and hope was restored. Some dismiss this tale as mere folklore, a story too fantastical to be true. They call it a parable for human resilience, a metaphor for our ability to overcome adversity, yet the Cabbage of God exists in our time. A living testament to the legend. This begs the question, is there truth hidden within the legend? Could the Cabbage of God be more than just a myth? Scientists have long sought to unravel the secrets of the Cabbage of God. Its genetic structure is unlike any other known plant. It possesses an extraordinary ability to convert sunlight into energy. This results in rapid growth and an unusually high yield. Some theorize that the Cabbage of God is not entirely natural. They believe it to be the result of ancient genetic manipulation. Others point to evidence of its existence in fossilized plant matter. This suggests a lineage far older than human civilization. Whatever its origins, the Cabbage of God is a testament to the power of nature. It serves as a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things. In 2077, the Cabbage of God is more than just a food source. It has become a beacon of innovation and sustainability. It is a symbol of hope in a world grappling with climate change and resource scarcity. As cities face unprecedented challenges, this humble vegetable stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Its rapid growth cycle and adaptability make it ideal for vertical farming. These advanced techniques allow for efficient use of space and resources. These towering farms dot the urban landscape, transforming city skylines into green havens. They provide fresh, local produce to millions, ensuring that communities have access to healthy food options right at their doorstep. The Cabbage of God's resilience has transformed agriculture. Its ability to withstand various environmental stresses has made it a cornerstone of modern farming. It thrives in harsh conditions, requiring minimal water and nutrients. This makes it an invaluable crop in areas facing severe water shortages. This has allowed farmers to reclaim land previously lost to desertification. Once barren areas are now flourishing with life. The impact of the Cabbage of God extends beyond agriculture. It has influenced various sectors, from food production to environmental conservation. Its abundance has led to innovations in food production, reducing waste and improving access to nutritious meals for all. The Cabbage of God truly represents a brighter, more sustainable future. The Cabbage of God is a versatile ingredient, revered for its adaptability in various culinary traditions. Chefs and home cooks alike have embraced its unique flavor profile, finding new and exciting ways to incorporate it into their dishes. It has a delicate sweetness with a hint of spice, making it a favorite among those who appreciate nuanced flavors. It can be eaten raw, cooked or fermented, offering endless possibilities for culinary creativity. Its leaves can be used in salads, adding a fresh and crisp texture. Its heart can be roasted or grilled to bring out a rich, smoky flavor. The possibilities are endless. Cafes serve Cabbage of God smoothies and energy bars, showcasing its versatility in both savory and sweet applications. Bakeries offer Cabbage of God, bread and pastries, delighting customers with innovative baked goods. Its versatility has led to a renaissance in culinary arts, inspiring chefs and food enthusiasts around the world. Food festivals celebrate the Cabbage of God's cultural significance, bringing communities together in joyous celebration. Cooking competitions showcase its versatility, challenging chefs to push the boundaries of their creativity. The Cabbage of God is not merely sustenance, it is a symbol of innovation and culinary excellence. It is a cultural phenomenon that unites us through the shared experience of food, bridging gaps and creating lasting memories.